Hi guys, welcome. In this video we're going to look at some exercises in Python, and the exercises are going to be from this book, Python Crash Course by Eric Matthes. This is a book I recommend to anyone. I'm going to recommend to anyone that wants to start learning Python or to beginners in Python. So here are the exercises. We're going to look at the exercises in chapter 3. We're just going to look at exercise 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. So 3.1 says, store the names of a few of your friends in a list called names. Print each person's name by accessing each element in the list one at a time. So let's start with the first part. I'm going to use spider. That's to create a list of names called names. And this is an empty list, and I'm going to type some of my friends' name. It's going to be a string because this is the data type of a name or text. Their text. Let's start with Love, Pious, Elizabeth. Maybe one more. Last one. She prays. Okay, so this is a list containing my friend's name. The next part says print each person's name by accessing each element in the list one at a time. To do this, we're going to use the for loop, which means we're just going to loop through each of the items in this list and print them out. Let's choose the for loop. So for I in names, I'm going to print out I. So in this first case, I is going to represent the items in the list depending on the iteration we are in. In the first iteration, I is going to be Samuel, and it's going to print out Samuel. Then in the second iteration, I is going to be Love. For the third, it's going to be Pious. Fourth, it's going to be Elizabeth, and for the final iteration, it's going to be Chipraise. Now, this my for loop is just going to run 5 times because I have 5 elements in this list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just to be sure, I have 5 names in this list. If you have more than 5 names, then your for loop is going to run more iterations than 5. If you have less, it's going to be less than 5. Let's just run this and see. Okay, so here's the output. So Samuel, Love, Pious, Elizabeth, and Chipper. So we're done with 3.1. Okay, for 3.2, greetings. Start with the list you used in 3.1, but instead of just printing each person's name, print a message to them. The text of each message should be the same, but each message should be personalized with the person's name. Okay, so this is like when you're sending an email to a bunch of people. You're going to have the same email, but it's going to be personalized to different people based on their names, like hello, I'm Samuel, blah blah blah, or hello Love, and the messages are still the same. So that's kind of what we're going to do here. So to do this, I need to adjust my print statement and add a personalized message. Let's say I'm going to type hi. I'm going to use comma, and the comma is going to join them up and add the space for me. Let's print this out. Hi. Okay, hi Samuel, hi Love, hi Pious, hi Elizabeth, hi Chipraise. Let me try something, maybe concatenating, and I have my full stop. I'm just trying something here. How are you doing? I'm gonna run this. I just want to see how this is. Okay, it works fine. So hi Samuel, how are you doing? Hi Love, how are you doing? Hi Pious, how are you doing? So I can just send messages to each of my friends and boom. So this is it for 3.2. The last part is 3.3. So yes, 3.3, your own list. Think of your favorite mode of transportation, such as a motorcycle or a car, and make a list that stores several examples. Use your list to print a series of statements about this item, such as I would like to own a Honda motorcycle. Okay, so this is kind of similar to the previous ones. all you need to do is create your own list of your favorite mode of transportation. In this case, I think this is my chance to add some crazy stuff. Okay, let's see. Private jets. Tesla. And Ferrari. What else? Maybe Ford, somewhere there. Yeah, let's see, like that. So I'm just going to change the name of the list and use cars. No, I'm going to use items. No biggie. And I have to change the name of the list I want to look through, since I want to look through this list items. And I have to adjust the personalized the message, the statement here. And that should be, maybe I would love to own no need for the space. Okay, everything looks good. Let's just run this. I would love to own a private jet. I would love to own a Tesla. I would love to own a Ferrari. I would love to own a Ford. Okay, so that's it for this exercise. In subsequent videos we're going to see other exercises in the book, and thank you for watching. So please like the video and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, to see more content like this. I think that's what I'm supposed to say. Alright, bye.